Arctiko, the art of simplicity. Press the on-off button to start the controller. Here's the current temperature inside the unit. You can choose between comma or decimal in advanced settings. Here the current alarm icons will be shown. If there's more than one alarm, they switch between the current alarms. The status of the battery is shown here. If the controller is not connected, it will be crossed out. The ambient temperature is shown here. And here is the date and time. You can adjust the time zone in advanced settings. Press Enter to go to the menu. Enter the password in order to access the custom settings menu. The password is 0000. Here you see the set point menu, where you can set the temperature you want the unit to run at. Return and go to the alarm settings. In alarm delay, set the time from an alarm will occur on the unit and until it will be shown on the display. In door open alarm, choose if the alarm is enabled or disabled. In high temperature alarm, set the highest temperature the device can get inside before the alarm starts. In low temperature alarm, set the lowest temperature the device must be inside before the alarm starts. The probe EEPROM failure alarm indicates that the probe is not working. The power failure alarm indicates that there is no power to the unit. Alarm log time interval sets the time intervals for the controller to log data from the unit. In select language, choose the desired language. Advanced settings is protected with a password. Access with the password 0000. In calibration, set the offset of the temperature in the display. In automatic defrost, set the time when an automatic defrost should be performed. In manual defrost, you can start the defrost immediately. In hysteresis, set the difference of the set point when the compressor starts and stops. Temperature range limits is the maximum and minimum temperature the unit can operate in. Service menu shows important information about the service of the unit. Compressor hours shows how many hours the compressor has run. Fan hours shows how many hours the fan has run. Probe displays the temperature for the sensor mounted in the unit. Probe inside unit displays the temperature of the sensor mounted inside the unit. One sensor is mounted in the unit as standard. 2 extra sensors can be mounted inside the unit. Probe compressor displays the temperature of the compressor. Probe evaporator displays the temperature of the sensor on the evaporator. The Advanced Service Settings menu is only used by the manufacturer's service department. Current alarms shows the date and time of when the alarms have been activated in the unit. This shows alarm type, date, and time. Temperature lasts 24 hours, shows the minimum and maximum temperature of the unit for the last 24 hours. You can choose your own password. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it with a code from Arctiko. Arctiko can send you an email with new software. You save it on the USB pen drive and place the USB pen drive in the unit. and the new software will be uploaded. Place the USB pen drive in the unit and the data will be saved. Insert the USB pen drive in your computer and open the file with Excel. Date and time for logging data. Temperature inside unit. If there is an alarm, it will be shown with an H in the diagram. When there has been a manual or auto defrost, it will be shown with an H in the diagram. Temperature of extra probe mounted inside unit. Compressor temperature. Ambient temperature. Temperature of evaporator. Shows when the door has been opened. Shows how long the door has been open. A GSM alarm module can be connected to the majority of our products. The module sends a text message to one or several coded telephone numbers in case the temperature of the freezer exceeds the fixed range. The GSM alarm can be connected to a group of more than one freezer if needed. A simple, effective, and reliable alternative providing increased safety. It's that simple. Arctiko, the art of simplicity.